You want to be in the middle? Then you can see it better? Okay.
Mike's always starts, because he's the oldest.
You ready?
Yes.
Take one. Alright, we're going to tell them who we are. Who are we?
I'm Lucas.
You're Lucas?
Yeah.
First of all, we're the three players. We're going to make a video for everybody so they can see the way we're going to catch our blue jays with our peanuts.
But guess what? Well, this is not a YouTube channel. No one's going to see this.
Cut! You're not sticking to the script here.
Stay on the script.
Alright, you ready?
Okay.
Alright. Welcome to our new YouTube channel. I'm Mike of the Three Players. These are my junior players.
Lucas, Ayden.
And what are we going to show them?
We're going to go catch a bird.
We're going to show them how we catch blue jays with our peanuts and our homemade trap.
Yes.
And then what? Do you have anything else to tell the public?
Oh, I know.
What?
We're going to staple them to the deck. Staple.
What are we going to show them? You can tell them.
We're going to show you our box fort in the next video.
Oh, we're going to have to save the box for it and then tell Zilla not to throw it away.
Yeah.
Maybe what we should do is, next time we'll bring the box fort over here, cut some windows in it so we can watch the birds so they won't be scared of us. And we'll put another hole in it
Hey, cut,
to pull the
cut,
string. Cut. Okay, hang on, I got this. Cut.
Oh my God, we're not supposed to talk to the other person.
Oh, we're not
Come
supposed
back on.
Alright.
Down again.
Alright, I'll hold the bottom when you do the top one.
Okay.
Or, yeah, there you go. Alright, back on. We're not allowed to talk to the other person. Alright, somebody better talk to the camera then.
So we're gonna do the box fort in the next video. And we're gonna put it near the window and we're gonna cut a hole in it. So we're gonna look at the trap so the blue jays don't get scared of us. So then we put another hole for the string so we can pull that string, and then we just go bang and then we get it. So that's how we catch blue jays.
What are you guys doing? That's not really good for
Stop that, Willie. Cut 9. Cut that. Why are you talking to him? Stop it.
Why are you talking?
We have to talk to them.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And make him go. Pull.
Alright.
Admitting that this was a compromise and go back for more. That I think would be politically more painful.
I was thinking, should we bring it in through that crack?
Perfectly see the trap.
Yeah. You know what we can do? We can turn this around so you can see it from that way.
Hello. Oh. Okay, hello. You gotta see the blue trap. We're gonna see the blue trap.
Oh!
Did you get him?
No. Oh, that was a good one. You could have got.
Did you get him?
Answer anything? Because now's the time. It's going still. Oh! Can it see me? It can't see me. Is that Irish dancing?
I got another acorn. We have 3 players and we're signing out.
I did a mic drop.
And then set, right? No, we have to hit the camera.